What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a single family residence on the east side of Akron, Ohio. Waiting for my partner's handyman to get here. My partner's thinking about picking up this property, so I'm just meeting the handyman here just to see what kind of capital expenditures he's going to be looking at with this property. It's bank owned. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. I know right off the top this property is going to need a furnace. It's not the best part of town. However, probably get it for a real good price and some decent rents from it. So just wanted to give you an idea as far as what we're in the field doing. We're definitely looking to buy a couple of more properties before the month is over. I work with about a dozen partners that the company has a relationship with. So we're always looking for good deals. Doesn't matter what condition it's in, we will definitely look at it and get you an offer in 48 hours or less. We pay cash and we buy an as-is condition, okay? With no commission fees. So if that's something you or somebody you know that's interested in, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.